my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. On our previous lesson we learned with you how to hold the violin without the hands. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave link for you down below, or simply click on the icon here, because otherwise you won't be able to understand lesson from today. Today we will talk about position of the left hand on the violin. First, what I would like you to do is stand up straight and look at your left hand. Most probably your hand is relaxed, not tense, and your fingers they are not stick to each other. Please remember that feeling and the position of your hand. Now let's take our violin with our right hand and put on your left shoulder and hold your violin. Usually your teacher putting violin on your shoulder, but because here we are on our own, we will help ourselves with our right hand. I hope you are confident enough to hold your violin without any hands, but if you don't feel really secure, you can help yourself with your right hand. Now slowly bring up your left hand without any tension. You see how I'm doing it? Turn a little bit your wrist and put your violin between your thumb and point finger. It's very important that you have free space between your palm and violin neck. Always remember about natural position of your left hand when you just standing. The same position you're supposed to have on your violin. Your fingers have to be relaxed and not stick one to the other. Palm have to remind us a mirror in which one we can look at any time. You cannot let yourself to help your palm hold the violin like this. Try to stay in this position for 1 minute and after, rest. If at the beginning you feel a little bit uncomfortable, don't worry, it's okay, but don't forget all the time, relax all your muscles. Relax your shoulder, relax your chin, your neck, your wrist, your fingers, and with time you will start to feel much more better and much more comfortable. That's it for today. If you have any questions, don't be shy and write me down below in the comments, and it will be my pleasure to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel and you will learn something new. And